Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic Spa Maintenance Pack. What is Jack's Magic Spa Maintenance Pack? Keeping on top of spa maintenance can go a long way in keeping your spa trouble-free and enjoyable. You can kick back and relax because our spa maintenance products will save you time and effort, taking the worry out of owning a spa. Each kit contains an 8 ounces sprayer of our Instant Cartridge Filter Cleaner, Cover and Water Line Cleaner, and Spa Cover High Gloss Ultra UV Protectant. Product benefits: Cartridge Filter Cleaner, Water Line, Cover Cleaner, and Cover Protectant in one kit. Keep spa surfaces looking new. Ready to use. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.